Morning guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is March 7 and tomorrow is apparently International Women's Day and the color is purple, so we're supposed to wear our purple today so we could take pictures and have them posted tomorrow on the actual date. But this is the closest I could find to purple. Okay, this is pink, and then on top I have this plum color. It looks purple enough. So that's the outfit for today, and I just put my hair in a half bun, I guess. Yeah, I don't know exactly what we're doing tomorrow, but knowing at my workplace we're doing a little refreshment and probably snacks, like any opportunity to eat and party. I'm mad at that at all. But I'll call you guys back if there's anything going on and I want to share with you. So later. Okay guys, I am back for lunch in the people in office, but my lunch looks so good today. Like, we cooked last night. I have some buffalo wings, corn, broccoli, and potato. You can't see the potato, but yeah, using the air fryer a lot this time. We already take our pictures. It didn't look too bad, but yeah. Hey guys, welcome back. Today is the actual day for International Women's Day. Yes, and we're having a little lunch at work, so they have snacks, cupcakes, and treats. So let me show you guys what we have going on. And happy International Women's Day to all the beautiful ladies out there, independent, strong, and doing your thing. Yes, this is our day to be recognized, to be praised, and to be uplifted. Yeah, let's say that. So enjoy your weekend. It's Friday, March 8th. I still managed to wear some sort of purple. It's pink actually, but different shades of pink. But this is all I have, so good enough. Oh, this is so cute. Will you be my leading lady? I wanna coach you and get to know me. Hey guys, welcome back. Unbox with me while I show you the Amazon items that I purchased recently. Let's do a little unboxing. I have two boxes and then this. Living days would feel like months. Only gone for a year, only roll like once. Life move fast. Oh, I didn't know it was this big. I thought it was little, but I'm glad. It's a nice size, good size. So this is a pitcher that I purchased so I could put my milk in and put it in the fridge. Yeah, this is a milk pitcher. Yeah, it's cute. It's gonna look so cute. And this, I normally just use almond milk. So if I'm using almond milk, I'll just leave it in the box, maybe. But I deliberately purchased this because recently I've been drinking a lot of Lasco, that's Jamaican powder milk. I think I want to just make a whole pack or maybe 2 packs and fill the bottle, put it in the fridge, and I think it's gonna be cute. This is nice. Little picture. Yeah. Okay, I like this. And then this. Oh, I thought this was bigger. No, they ain't wrong. But this is a retinol collagen face cream that I'm trying out. This is the day and night face cream. Retinol cream for face, neck, and yeah, so let's a better look at it. Oh, it's those fancy one where you just press down and it distribute them. Oh, nice. So just hopefully it's good and it agrees with my face. And oh, this is a speaker microphone that I purchased. Oh, this is a microphone that I purchased for when I'm doing my videos, so y'all could hear me better, but I don't know. Comes in a little muffle. Oh, it's so cute. Put this on. Anyways, I don't know why I undid that just now. Hopefully it works. Okay guys, the microphone does work. It didn't work here when I was testing it out because it wasn't plugged in properly to the phone. I needed to take my phone case off, so it works. Okay, and then this is another cream, but this is for my mom. She purchased this. This is also retinol and collagen. Guys, you need to be using retinol and collagen some form on your face to help your skin looking younger, firm, and you know, not get too much wrinkles, sagginess, and stuff. So once you're in your early 20s, I think you could start. But yeah, do your research and see if it's something that you guys interested in. But this is not my first retinol thing. I have one other retinol moisturizer, but it's a night one. Okay, so this box, oh, these are the stuff that I purchased to add to the Easter basket, and it's just snacks. Like I bought a box of these, the cereal, mini cereals, because they were really cheap. I was surprised. Like, I think this was $3 something for the whole pack, for the pack of 8. Like, where? How? So yeah, but it's not the box one. It's literally in plastic pouches. So yeah. Let's see. Yeah. So I still think it's a steal of a deal. I think this would be cute to add to packets. There's that, and then these, just a pack of Capri Sun juice. And this was $4 something or $5 something for 10. Like, cheap. Pretty cheap. And we all know how these looks, so yeah. Subscribe and don't forget to like this video before you leave. Okay guys, so I just washed the bottle, and these are the color milk Alaska that I'm going to be mixing to put in here. This is creamy malt and this is vanilla flavor. I can't mix it in this big jug, so mix it in this first and then pour it in. And I'm using my brown sugar, which is almost finished. Let's see. Maybe I shouldn't put the whole pack in here. I'm using 5 gallon. Okay, we just need this amount to mix out the sugar, and then we're gonna add water to stretch it. It smells so good. Can't see. Okay guys, this is what I got out of one pack. Oh, I have a half pack in the fridge. This is the next pack, so I'm gonna add this and just add water.
You'll continue to try to play these games. Leave your family in the cold rain. And I don't think you'll ever change your way.
Now I need to taste this to see how sweet it is, or if I need to add more water. It's just right. It's not sweet, it's not fresh. This is pretty good. So now I can just put this in my fridge, grab it when I need to make my cereal or my shake. Yep, that's that. Okay guys, so now I'm preparing my snacks for the night. This is what I'm eating tonight. I love these green apples. You guys like these? And I normally eat them with salt. Not all the time. I think tonight I'm going to just a dash.